Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, we are from BPSP. Today we are ready to present our task, which is on machinery for vegetable crop. My name is Muhammad Shairan Nata, 192855, and this our group member Syaira, Siti Hidayah, Natisha, and Tata. Next. Okay, this is our objective, which is student will be able to identify the stage of production and operation for vegetable crop, to determine the type of machine needed at each stage of production and operation for vegetable crop, to describe the function of each machine in the production of operation stage for vegetable crop. Okay, next. Okay, this is our introduction. Next. This is our methodology. Next. Okay, for the first stage, we have land clearing. Land clearing is the process of removing trees, stumps, rocks, and other obstacles from an area needed to increase the size of the site and opening for new field. And cleaning of the area using machinery is strongly recommended, suitable with the principle of good agricultural practice. Okay, next slide. Okay, this bulldozer machine, a tractor equipped with a large metal plate, is used to push large quantity of soil, sand, or other obstacle. Okay, next. Okay, second stage is land preparation. Commonly, we have four stage for the land preparation, which is plough, liming, seedbed preparation, and mulching. Okay, next. Okay, for the plough, we have this plough. Work on all type of soil for basic functions such as soil preparation, soil reversal, and soil mixing. Ploughing and mixing wheat to a depth of soil about 20 cm and letting, while maximum 20 cm is to maintain topsoil quality, because topsoil contains nutrients needed by the plant. Okay, next. Okay, second we have harrow plough. Harrow plough is implemented with nail blade. It's used to manipulate soil by patching and leveling. Okay, next. Okay, third we have cultivator. Cultivator is made by knife that can be attached to the implement and powered by power TF. Okay, next. Okay, for the next stage we have liming. Is liming tractor. The purpose of the liming is to have the stable soil pH is the need of the crop. It helps lower soil pH to acidic soil. It is seedbed preparation. We have bed former, typically for growing the type of leaf and vegetable. With vegetable seedbed size is 100 cm wide and 15 to 25 cm high. We can look at the right side. Is two-in-one concept, plough and up the seabed. Okay, and the last one is mulching. This is silver shine. Is automatic dust mulch layer. Okay, next. Okay,
Okay, for the stage planting, we will look at a few implements that we use to planting the vegetable. First, we have carrot planter. This is useful for commercial production of carrot through precise planting on raised bed. It can be operated with 45 horsepower and the field capacity is 0.5 hectare per hour. Okay, this is the implement were attached to the tractor. Next, we have garlic planter. This can be operated with 45 horsepower tractor also, and this implement can make a precise planting of garlic clove in 9 rows. Next, we have pneumatic precision planter. It can be used for small vegetable seeds. It provides uniform germination and maturity can be operated with 45 horsepower tractor. The field capacity is 0.2 to 0.3 hectare per hour. And lastly, we have tractor-operated okra planter. This is useful for planting soaked okra seed on ridges. It can be operated by 35 horsepower tractor and with field capacity of 0.2 hectare per hour. And it can maintain the row and the plant distance as well. Okay, next.
Okay, we go to the stage of crop care, which is we cover about watering, fertilizing, and weeding. Okay, next. Okay, we use a water sprinkler system for watering the vegetable. This is because to have a sufficient water supply to grow without damaging the plant from soil erosion, and we use a fertilizer spreader as our fertilizer system. Okay, next. Okay, for the watering, the main principle of operation is from water tap or from irrigation network. Water pump or autonomous station fluid supplied to pressure within 3 atm. So the water pressure drive the hydraulic drive turbine, a rotation that is sent to the drum through a reduction with a polyethylene pipe wound on it. So the fluid enter the remote and spray and irrigate the soil. Okay, next. Okay, this is for the fertilization, which is we use a pool type fertilizer spreader. The vegetables that is suitable like cabbage, garlic, tomatoes, and so on. So this pool type fertilizer spreader will spread the fertilizer like a chicken manure into the plant. Okay, next. Okay, this is the stage of harvesting, which is we cover about the harvesting, isolation, cleaning, grading, cold treatment, packing, and storage in the refrigerator. Okay, next. So this is the equipment and harvester machine, which is vegetable harvesting machine. The interior is customized for harvesting operation, which is the specialties include the packing table, tape machine, washer, roller desk, floor wrapper, and so more. Okay, next. So this is the cutting system double blade PDX 120, which is this double blade from ESM is widely used cutting system in special crop harvesting. It is crop are harvested with high quality and have a high market value. Okay, next.
Okay, for the stage land maintenance, for watering the plants, there are two types of irrigation. The first system is sprinkler irrigation. Water spray system are made into the air from sprinkler and fall to the ground in like rainwater. The advantage of the renal system are uniform and evenly distributed method suitable for the most soil type, not easily clogged, easy to move to others area and durable. Next. This is a drip irrigation system. Irrigation system that supplies water to the plant regularly according to the water requirement of the plants. The drip irrigation system sometimes ineffective because it is easy clogged and requires regular maintenance. Next. This is a fertilizer. For growing vegetable, the most important fertilizer is nitrogen fertilizer. Avoid placing the fertilizer near the vegetable trunk. Next, for weed control, there are method for controlling weed. The first method is mechanical control, biological control, good farm practice, and weed control. Next, this is schedule for operation. The following is an example of a plant operation schedule for mustard growth. Um, The machinery that used for land clearing is a bulldozer. The duration is 1 to 2 weeks. For process land preparation, the machinery that can use is the harrow. The duration is 1 week. For provision of boundaries, the machinery that can use is bed form. The duration is 1 to 2 weeks. For process irrigation, the machinery that can use is sprinkler. The duration is 2 times a day. For process fertilization, the machinery that we use is spray pump. The duration is 2 times a week. For process harvest, the machinery that the equipment that can use is knife. The duration is after 28 days. Next.
Okay, for the cost involved in planting process, cost is an important factor to look at. In this uh, case, we may look at the labor cost, machinery cost, maintenance cost, and material cost. Here's some of examples. Equipment and cost for 5 to 15 acre vegetable garden. As you can see here, there's a list of equipment and their description and the average use cost and the average new cost. We can compare with these two. The use cost more cheaper compared to the new cost. As a farmer, we must look at the lower cost to ensure our profit. Okay, next, we provide some discussion question that you may look at this after. And this is the questions. Okay, for the conclusion.
Okay, for the conclusion, there are stage for vegetable crop and there are some machinery that use in vegetable crop. For the stage that we need to do before we start our planting is land clearing, land preparation. After we start planting, we need to crop care, land maintenance, and harvesting. The machinery is important because it can help farmer to save their time, money, and energy. Next. Okay, this is reference that we use in our assignment. I think that's all from us. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.